welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. Now, actor Ayushmann Khurrana and filmmaker Anubhav Sinha have collaborated once again for their upcoming project titled Anek. Now, in the past also, Anubhav Sinha and Ayushmann Khurrana had collaborated for one of the best films titled Article 15. This time, Ayushmann Khurrana took to social media to reveal his first look from the film. He shared two pictures and introduced himself as Joshua from the film Anek. Soon, the actor will start shooting for the film. Speaking of first look posters, actress Taapsee Pannu also took to Instagram account to share the first look of her from her upcoming film called Loop Lapet. Now, this is going to be a Hindi adaptation of the 1998 German film Run Lola Run, which was a blockbuster back then. Taapsee Pannu is going to don a completely different avatar from all the films she has done so far. Taking to Instagram, the actress wrote, "Sometimes you sit back and think, how did you come to this point in your life?" It is going to be interesting to see Taapsee Pannu donning an avatar that was a hit in the year 1998. Prabhas's Adipurush is finally on the floor. The much-awaited film has now commenced its shoot. It also features Saif Ali Khan, and the film, which will be directed by Om Roth, will have a mythological background with some technological and scientific touch in it, giving a viewer a completely different experience from what they have seen so far in Indian film industry. Talking of Adipurush, not so many people are happy with Saif Ali Khan being a part of it for so many reasons. It was just a few weeks ago when Saif Ali Khan had justified the Ravan's role of abducting Sita, which was not really appreciated by the netizens, and people have been asking to boycott Saif Ali Khan from the film. However, the makers are going on with the same cast, and soon we will be having the film hitting the screens. Recently, Priyanka Chopra took to her Instagram account to show off her white tiger avatar with her puppy, who was also wearing a similar attire. Now, the actress is celebrating the White Tiger movie, which was streamed on Netflix a few days ago, and it also became one of the top trending movies worldwide on Netflix, which is a big deal for her. All her in-laws were seen appreciating the actress for an amazing production plus acting that she did in the film. People are also a big fan of Adarsh Gaurav, who is also the main lead, whereas Rajkumar Rao and Priyanka Chopra Jonas are seen acting in the supporting roles. Actress Kangana Ranaut is now remembering her childhood and how she used to be very crazy about cameras and pictures. Apparently, in her childhood, she saved money to buy a camera and she used to click many pictures, and she also confessed that she had a local photographer named Sharma Uncle who used to send her reels all the way to Chandigarh to get it washed, and Kangana Ranaut could not wait to see those pictures. Sharing this with her fans, she took to Twitter and shared also a picture where she was seen standing with one of her childhood friends. After so many days, finally, actress Rhea Chakraborty and her brother Shouvik Chakraborty were snapped outside a gym. All this while, they were hiding from the media because of all the chaos that had happened during the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. Now that the actress has been spotted finally outside a gym, people have been circulating her picture on social media. There is no end to trouble when it comes to Kangana Ranaut. Now, once again, the actor has been issued summons by the police for the defamation case filed against her by lyricist Javed Akhtar. Long back, Kangana Ranaut, in one of her interviews on a national television, has said that Javed Akhtar always told her not to mess with Hrithik Roshan and to sit quietly, otherwise her career will be destroyed. She had confessed this on national television, after which Javed Akhtar had filed a defamation case against her, telling that she has been defaming his name and talking ill about her, and the interview is being viewed by a lot of people. Speaking of talking about memories, Sonam Kapoor had now taken to her social media account to share one of the pictures from her vacation in 2017, where her husband Anand Ahuja had proposed to her for marriage. She was remembering those good old days, and Sonam Kapoor keeps posting her pictures with husband Anand Ahuja and keeps traveling around the world, because one of the things that she really likes doing is traveling and sharing some lovey-dovey pictures with her husband. Speaking of Hollywood, now the actress Evan Rachel has alleged Marilyn Manson of sexually and physically abusing her back when they were in relationship. In fact, they had been engaged to each other. However, the engagement was broken later. But she is now claiming that Marilyn Manson had manipulated her to become submissive in the relationship and sexually abused her, for which Marilyn Manson has also reacted and said that this is horrible thing to do to someone. Those were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.